hope you are doing well. IFK, we are welcoming you to our channel. Today, our topic is how to use ChatGPT for programming.
ChatGPT can help programmers write code, understand code, find bugs, explain errors, and learn programming concepts faster.
Describe what you want to build, choose your programming language, and clearly explain your requirements to ChatGPT.
Already have code you don't understand? Paste it into ChatGPT and ask for a simple, step-by-step explanation.
For debugging, provide your code, the error message, and what you expected. ChatGPT can help identify the likely cause.
You can also ask ChatGPT to make your code cleaner, easier to read, more organized, and easier to maintain.
ChatGPT can also be your programming tutor. Ask questions, request examples, and practice programming exercises.
Better prompts produce better results. Tell ChatGPT the language, goal, input, expected output, and important limitations.
Never blindly trust AI-generated code. Always read it, test it, and verify it before using it in a real project. To summarize, integrating ChatGPT into your programming workflow can boost efficiency and creativity.